Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a landing page on Activecampaign, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard, and to start creating my landing page, I'm going to go to my website tab. Here, you're going to go into pages, and we're going to create a new page. Now, a landing page is basically a work in progress page, which displays to your clients before your site is ready, and usually it doesn't link to other pages, so let's just create a page. And since this is going to be the only page on my site, this is going to be good as my landing page. If it's not your only page, just make sure it doesn't link to any other pages as well. So once this loads up, there we go. We can select a template. I'll just select whichever one I find best. I'll just select the blank template for stars. And here you can add whichever text you want. Page title is going to be landing page. Click save. And now you can drop your components here. I'm going to drop a section. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm just going to delete that section. There we go. And you can drop components over here, which I'm going to do with a headline. And I'm going to select this is a landing page. Now, this looks really bad. This is very rudimentary, but this is pretty much what you need to do. Once you set up your landing page text, all you need to do is go ahead and publish the page. You can preview it if you want. I'll just go ahead and directly publish it. The domain is going to be this, the URL is going to be this, or the URL slug. You can save this as a template if you want. I won't, and then just click publish. And once that's done, now you have your landing page, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.